Hi, I'm Jen from BendPak, coming to you from an avocado orchard in Southern California. So, what do avocados have to do with the best auto lifts, wheel service, and shop equipment in the business? Where I'm standing now will soon be a shop with brand new BendPak lifts. Bye-bye avocados, hello cherry autos. A few trees are moving to make room for the 2,000 square foot shop. The red iron steel framing will provide strength and durability. The bay doors will be installed, and finally the roof. I'm here at the BendPak headquarters where the auto lifts are being loaded up now. The shop's construction is complete and ready for the new lifts. It's a beautiful day for a BendPak lift installation. The shop is nestled and hidden among the avocado trees. BendPak highly recommends that you find a certified installer to handle your lift installation. It makes the process much easier, and you will rest assured that the lifts are properly installed. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. The BendPak lifts are installed and ready for action, and this shop is up and running. BendPak goes through every effort to make sure our automotive lifts meet the strictest of safety standards. The XPR 10 series are popular in the BendPak's lineup of two-post car lifts. With a 10,000-pound lifting capacity, this is a smart addition to any shop. Symmetric and asymmetric options are available in this model, along with the ability to extend its height and width depending on your shop's desired configuration. Each HD9 9,000-pound four-post lift is perfect for parking, storage, and service. This lift hits the sweet spot for powerlifting, compact design, and product value. Not only are the removable approach ramps low, BendPak extends them farther than others in the industry. There is so much you can get on the HD9 models. Well, there you have it, from avocados to cherry autos. For more information on the best auto lifts, wheel service, and shop equipment, check out BendPak.com.